Hey, look at what we got here. Well, it has been a while since we had the Blackstone fired up, and that's what we're doing today. I spent this morning cleaning it, re-seasoning it, and then we're going to do some venison tacos on it. Oh yeah, looking good. Still looks new. Okay, we're getting ready to make some venison tacos. Put a little oil down over here. Now I'm making this with the venison that I canned. So this is a can of venison that I opened up, and we're going to place it on the grill here and cook it all back up. Should let it drain a little better than it did, but it'll come away. Yeah. Now I could have used ground venison, but I tell you what, you can venison, backstrap, you can it, pressure can it, and it comes out. Look how tender that is. That just breaks apart. Now, I'm going to get a little bit of this SPG of mine. And I did put a little bit of cayenne in here to give it a little heat. But this will be delicious. Move it over here. About right in there. Now, a bit of oil down here. Ah, yeah. Looking good. A corn tortilla. I'll get a couple of them, I guess. We'll put on a couple here. And another one. Now I have these two burners here, this end on low, and the two on the left off. So. Turn it up a little bit over here. Now this is what I made inside. Pico De Gillo. I have oregano. Not oregano. I got cilantro, jalapeno pepper. I have onion, tomato. I have a touch of, just a slight touch of vinegar and some lime, and a touch of olive oil in there. Oh, it's going to be so good. What we're going to do is get a little of this, put it right there. Look at that, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Give this a little Pico De Gillo on them. Now you can put whatever you want on them. I'm having this. I bet it is going to be good. That looks good. Let's put that there. Put that one there. Turn them off. That just didn't take very long at all. If a man says he will fix it, he will. There's no need to remind him every 6 months about it. Okay. Now, one more touch on this. Now, I don't have any cheese to put on it. I usually do, but I'm out. But this is hot sauce. One little bit of that. That is that Frank's Red Hot Original. It's pretty good. It's not real spicy. So, let's see. Hey, look at what we got here. We're going to give it a test. We're going to eat this baby. We're going to give it a test. That is good. You can put whatever you want on there. Sour cream, spices, any other spices. That's good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.